Hi guys, Pete here, N6QW, and what I have on the bench here this afternoon is the original shirt pocket transceiver that I built here 13 years ago, and then I smoked it, and so I kept most of the major parts from the transceiver. And actually these two boards right here, upper board and lower board. Actually, I did a little rebuilding on the upper board, but replaced a whole bunch of stuff and put an IR510 in here, and the IR510 puts out a little more power than when I had the 2SC2166 in there. But this is the original bandpass filter and some TR switching, the original 4.9152 megahertz crystal filter, homebrew filter. And we added, of course, the Arduino and the nice color TFT display. This works really well, puts out about 5 watts, and is, of course, a little bit bigger than the shirt pocket, but it's got so much more functionality now. So we're looking at FT4. The local time is about 3:30 in the afternoon on 20 meters. It's Saturday, and we're nearing the end of September. So this is the 29th, I think. See, the 30th is, this is the 28th. 29th is Sunday, 30th is Monday. So anyway, nice little radio. Got an S meter on it. It's just, we sort of have a jury rig on the S meter. That's not the real S meter reading, but it just shows that it can be displayed. So anyway, it's nice to have little radios like this to put them on. I just had it on the air. Have switching for an outboard linear amplifier. We can put in excess of about 120 watts into the delta loop here on 20 meters. So pretty nice radio. Pretty pleased with it. It was kind of my first foray into making something really small. And this was the version 1 of the shirt pocket transceiver. And as I said, I had a little accident and I smoked a lot of parts, so I had to do a lot of rebuilding. Anyway, Pete here. We're just tuning across the band. The band was kind of a little bit dead this morning, and now things seem to be perking up a little bit. There's some photo operations going on. Colorado. Anyway, Pete here, N6QW. Shirt pocket transceiver reworked. Must be an RTTY contest this weekend. Yeah.
Off-center pad pair of wires that are on very high. I've got a HOA thing here. It's 20 feet, 21 feet off the ground, I think. Yeah.
Using a Hero 3 to record this.
Some QSD. I was down on, I was up, I guess, on 12 meters, and the band was really active for a moment there. I took a shot at it. I heard a JA. In one part was not strong, but was there. So we had a 12-meter connection into Asia. Oh, about 15 minutes ago. Who knows? K7 BNY near Spokane. And Pocatello, did you say? You said you gave me the town name. AI7SI in Tucson, Arizona.
Pete here, N6QW. I'll say 7 threes.